In this video, we are going to be looking at how to develop PWA eCommerce CMS. This script, example of this script is the shop. This script is good for e-commerce, for online business. To purchase the script, use our affiliate link in the description to purchase the script. After purchasing the script, I go straight to my cPanel. Let me go to my cPanel from here. From my cPanel, I go to my file manager. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So then next I go to my subdomain. Here is it. I've already uploaded it. Let me extract it. So I'm going to extract files. So let me close this. Next, I copy my subdomain name. Copy, open a new tab, paste it there, enter. To install your script or to develop your script, use the IAM link in the description to IAM. Start installation process. Go to next step. Already started it, then I click on continue. So next I will go to my database to create my database. Here should be localhost. So for this, let me go back to my cPanel. Then I go to my database, manage my databases. So let me name my database as the shop as this. Then I click on create database to develop. I've successfully created my database. So next I click on go back. I have successfully created my database. So next let me scroll down to create my user. Let me name it as the shop database user. Yes. Okay, then I click on create user. So to develop your application, use the IAM link in the description to IAM me. I click on back after successfully creating my user. Next, I'm going to add the user to the database. Okay, it has selected it for me automatically. So I click on add. I give all privileges. Scroll down to make changes. So I've successfully given all privileges to the user. Let me copy my username. Database, that's database name, username. Then I click on continue. Import SQL, close this. So let me say admin name, let me say admin email, let me say admin@example.com. Continue. Okay, I can go to my admin or my front end. Let me go to log into admin panel. I use admin@example.com. Then I click on login. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if this video is helpful, use the buy me a coffee link in the description to buy me a coffee. I have successfully installed my script. As you can see, here is it. Here is it. Okay, thank you.